In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your OnePlus Watch 4 to a mobile hotspot. Now, first things first, you have to enable the mobile hotspot on your mobile device. So for me, I'm using a Redmi Note 14, but the same steps should apply for all the other Android devices. So simply go to settings and then find the portable hotspot from your settings. If that option is not there, you can simply go to the more connectivity options and you should find your mobile hotspot settings. So on the mobile hotspot, ensure that you have enabled that hotspot, okay? Now, once you have enabled hotspot on your device, simply go to your watch and then access the settings by simply swiping down from the watch face to access the control center and tap on the settings wheel icon at the bottom right corner. Now, at this point, simply tap on Wi-Fi and then from here, scroll down and select Add Network. Now, it will now start to scan for any available networks. So all you have to do is simply select your mobile device or your mobile hotspot. So this is my mobile hotspot. Tap on it, and then if you have a password, you'll be prompted to enter that password. So you can either choose to enter it on your phone or on your watch, okay? So I'll just select enter on phone. So tap on that, and you should see this prompt. So I'll just type in my password. And then once I type in my password, all I have to do is select connect. And then you should see your watch has been successfully connected to your mobile hotspot, as you can see. So that's basically it on how you can connect your OnePlus Watch 4 to a mobile hotspot. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.